Warmer temperatures are back this week after a couple of cool days.
That's right, and these are known as false falls. But why do they occur way before seasons change? Meteorologist Chris Mulcahy raises our weather IQ, plus when we can expect the next one. Chris.
All right, let's do it. So raising our weather IQ, the simple answer is the polar jet stream. We hear about this all the time. When it's going those really ups and downs, those big dips, that's where we're really going to have some of the bigger problems. So switching over to our traffic graphics, you're going to have that jet stream that's dipping down. That's exactly what it did last Thursday. When it dips like this, that's where you're expecting those big cool downs, those big temperature swings, and that's exactly what we saw. This wasn't just a cool down, it was a rare cool down where we had back-to-back mornings in the 50s. It felt amazing. It was really refreshing. It was a nice little change from the oppressive heat that we've had. But the last time that we had 3 lows in the 50s here in August in Charlotte was 20 years ago, 2004. So that really shows the rarity here. But that polar jet stream, when it's off towards the north in Canada, that's typically what we see during the summertime. Actually, heat builds underneath it. That's that heat dome. That's why we usually have oppressive heat during July and August. But notice, this is the actual forecast. It's going to dip again. Picture it kind of like you're starting up a motor. What's going to happen here going forward is it takes a while, say if you're cranking up your lawnmower, for it to actually get going. So we're kind of revving the motor, and then eventually going to see these big dips. This is exactly what happens in the spring. It's the big difference between those warm and cold temperatures, those cold fronts, those big swings that lead to our severe weather season. But there's actually 2 severe weather seasons. Then once you start to see these constant dips, really hot to cool temperatures, fronts moving through, you actually have a secondary severe weather season. So that's another point to bring up. Those often lead, once the severe weather, the rain clears, those false falls. And I'm hoping that we see another one. That one was really rare because oftentimes when we cool down, Larry, it's cloudy or it's rainy. That was actually sunny and really nice.